Welcome back, guys. We're back here with another video. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, a good New Year's, and I'm gonna ask you something. Let me get it. Can't get it out. Do you guys, if you've been on this channel for a while, do you remember this little thing? Well, this has multiplied into five others. So today will be my pocket knife collection. We're gonna go to my very first one, which is this one. It's pretty old. My dad had it as a kid. So it's got two blades. It's pretty old. So next one is pretty big. It's this one. My grandparents got it for me for Christmas. My mom's talking too. For Christmas, we got a puppy. His name is Barley. My mom's feeding him right now. So this is the knife that my grandparents got me from Portugal, which is really cool. I really like it. It's probably one of my favorite knives that I have. It's really, really cool. Now, I have another one, but it's a Gerber. I'm not sure where it is. We're still looking for it, but we haven't found it yet. So we're still looking. And next one. So my uncle got me this multi-tool. I don't know if you would call it a knife or not, but it's spring-loaded. It's got a saw, screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a knife. Another saw. What's this? Hold on, guys. Oh, bottle opener. Phillips head screwdriver and scissors. And we got this pliers and wire cutters at the very back. You see the sharp part down here. Right there. So there is a locking mechanism. When you take out one of the things, you have to pull that little lever down. So next one, this is one of my dad. This is my dad's old one too. It's this one. I really like this one. Barley peed in the house. So here is this one. It's really nice. I like it. It's one of my favorite ones. So it's got Saber. What's that say? 667th knife. So the design is a guy riding a Bronco, and then on the other side, he falls off the Bronco. So to close it, it's this little thing. You push that in. Like this. Watch. And then, so I just push that in. And then last but least is my newest one. And it is this one. Now, I got it at Dick's Sporting Goods. It was $15. It's actually a fishing knife. There is a hook sharpener here, lure tweaker or something like that there. Got a pocket clip so you can put it on your pocket. Serrated edge, and then non-serrated. So, and then to close this, you gotta go like that. Hold on, let me close it like this. You gotta push that in. So, I know this was a bit of a short video, but I'm sorry it was a short video. I don't have much time. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and stay tuned. See you guys later.